8 powerful herbs to detox, cleanse, and revive your kidneys fast. Chronic kidney disease. Did you know that over 850 million people worldwide suffer from kidney disease? Did you also know that your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every single day? That's right. These small bean-shaped organs, located just below your rib cage on either side of your spine, are powerhouses that remove waste products and excess fluids from your body. That's why keeping them healthy should be a top priority. Your kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, red blood cell production, and the levels of essential minerals in your blood. But don't worry, superfoodies, we have you covered. In today's video, we'll be discussing 8 powerful herbs that can help detox, cleanse, and revive your kidneys fast. These herbs can be consumed in various forms such as teas, soups, or salads. Ladies and gentlemen, if you stay till the end, we'll share how to prepare some of these herbs for effective use. We'll also cover potential dangers and side effects of using these herbs. Stay with us, we promise this will be the most comprehensive video on this topic you'll ever need to watch. No time to waste, let's get straight into it. Here are 8 of the best herbs that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys. 1. Milk thistle. This powerful herb, known for supporting liver health, contains silymarin, an antioxidant that not only supports kidney health but also protects the kidneys from toxins. Research indicates that milk thistle can enhance kidney function, particularly in individuals with kidney disease. Its mechanism involves blocking toxins from binding to kidney cells and reducing inflammation. A healthy liver, facilitated by milk thistle, plays a crucial role in overall detoxification, aiding in the elimination of waste products that might burden the kidneys. 2. Burdock Root. Abundant in antioxidants, burdock root has a historical reputation as both a diuretic and digestive aid. Its active ingredients contribute to toxin removal from the bloodstream and enhance surface skin circulation. With anti-inflammatory properties, burdock root effectively reduces inflammatory markers in the blood. While supporting liver health, burdock indirectly aids in kidney cleansing by eliminating toxins from the blood, thereby alleviating the load on the kidneys. But before we go any further, we'd like to remind you that while the information we share is scientifically proven and well-researched, it is only for educational purposes. As always, please consult your doctor before making any changes to your health routine. Thank you. 3. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a nutrient-dense herb with vitamins A, C, K, and various B vitamins, along with minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. This herb has a historical use in traditional medicine, and its natural diuretic properties contribute to expelling metabolic wastes through increased urine production, promoting kidney health. Additionally, stinging nettle exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, crucial for maintaining kidney health. Active compounds like flavonoids, sterols, and lignans in stinging nettle root have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation, inhibit kidney stone formation, and enhance diuresis. The diuretic effect of stinging nettle root can aid in flushing out toxins and preventing kidney stone formation by promoting urine production. Proper fluid balance and hydration are vital for optimal kidney function, and stinging nettle's diuretic actions may play a role in maintaining this balance. 4. Dandelion. Dandelion is a potent kidney cleanser with diuretic properties that increase urine output, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Both the root and leaves of dandelion act as natural diuretics, supporting kidney cleansing by promoting the removal of waste and excess water from the body. Furthermore, dandelion is rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps balance electrolytes in the kidneys, crucial for proper functioning. The diuretic action of dandelion contributes to increased urine production, flushing the kidneys and promoting detoxification. Research suggests that dandelion extracts may offer protective effects against kidney damage and oxidative stress, emphasizing its potential role in maintaining kidney health. 5. Turmeric. Specifically, its active compound curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent with protective effects on the kidneys. Scientific studies demonstrate that curcumin and turmeric can effectively reduce inflammation and fibrosis in chronic kidney disease, contributing to kidney health. Additionally, turmeric is known for its ability to purify the blood and prevent kidney inflammation and infections. This supports the overall health and cleansing of the kidneys. Turmeric is best absorbed with black pepper due to the presence of piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin absorption. If consumed together, black pepper can significantly increase the bioavailability of curcumin, maximizing its potential health benefits. If you're interested in more in-depth information on turmeric and its health benefits, there's a detailed video available on the channel. You can find the link in the description for further exploration after watching this video. 6. Parsley. Parsley is a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in regenerating cells and boosting kidney function. Its rich mineral content contributes to the strength of the kidneys while aiding in the removal of toxins and fats. Additionally, parsley supports the prevention of kidney stones and gallstones. Notably, parsley acts as a natural diuretic, containing compounds like apiol and myristicin. This diuretic property helps cleanse the kidneys and eliminate excess water from the body. The promotion of increased urination by parsley contributes to the flushing out of toxins and germs from the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. 7. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root is a traditional remedy for urinary tract infections and stones. Its potential as a natural diuretic makes it beneficial for kidney health by promoting urination. This increased urination aids in the removal of toxins through the kidneys and helps reduce swelling caused by water retention. Furthermore, marshmallow root is known to contribute to maintaining the cleanliness of the kidneys, urinary tract, and bladder, preventing infections. Its mucilage content provides a soothing effect, potentially coating and calming the urinary tract. Studies have indicated that marshmallow root's anti-inflammatory properties may further support kidney health. In summary, marshmallow root's diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable herb for kidney health, assisting in toxin removal and maintaining the overall well-being of the urinary system. 8. Ginger. Ginger, known for its diverse benefits, plays a role in detoxification, liver cleansing, and digestive support. Its contribution to overall detoxification indirectly supports kidney cleansing by aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. The warming properties of ginger increase circulation, promoting enhanced blood flow to the kidneys. This increased blood flow is instrumental in flushing out toxins from the kidneys. Additionally, compounds found in ginger act as potent antioxidants, offering protection to kidney cells and mitigating potential damage. Research, including studies on animals, suggests that ginger extracts have preventive effects on kidney damage. These findings highlight the potential of ginger in maintaining kidney health and preventing adverse conditions. Ginger's circulation-boosting properties, antioxidant effects, and potential to prevent kidney damage position it as a valuable herb for overall kidney well-being and detoxification. If you're interested in more in-depth information on ginger and its health benefits, there's a detailed video available on the channel, and like turmeric, you can also find the link in the description for further exploration after watching this video. If you're enjoying the content so far, a sub to the channel would be super, thank you. These herbs can be consumed in various forms, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. Here are some examples of how to use these herbs. For kidney cleansing teas, herbs like turmeric, ginger, dandelion, and marshmallow root can be steeped fresh or dried in hot water for 15 to 30 minutes. Milk thistle can work well as tea too. Try combining milk thistle, dandelion, and marshmallow root for a kidney detox tea. Herbs like turmeric and ginger can be simmered in bone broths or vegetable soups to extract their benefits. Curries and stir-fries are also great ways to add turmeric and ginger. For a kidney cleansing soup, simmer turmeric, marshmallow root, and parsley in a veggie or chicken broth. For salads, use fresh parsley, turmeric, ginger, or dandelion greens. The greens can be combined with other veggies, seeds, nuts, or beans for a nutrient-dense kidney detox salad. Shave fresh turmeric or ginger over top. To get the most benefits, herbs should be consumed consistently over a period of time. Herbal teas can be drank daily. Soups and salads incorporating these herbs can be enjoyed several times a week. Be sure to speak with your healthcare provider before taking any herbs, especially if you have a kidney condition. When it comes to consuming herbs, it's important to be aware of potential dangers and side effects. Here are some potential dangers and side effects to be aware of when using herbs to support kidney health. Turmeric is generally safe, but high doses may cause nausea or diarrhea. Avoid taking excess turmeric if you have gallstones or a bile duct obstruction. Ginger is largely safe when used in moderation. Can cause heartburn in some people. Avoid large amounts if you take blood thinners. Milk thistle is often well tolerated, but may cause diarrhea or upset stomach. Avoid in pregnancy or breastfeeding. Dandelion can be safe for most, but can cause allergies in sensitive people. High doses act as a diuretic, so monitor electrolyte levels. Avoid with specific medication interactions. Marshmallow root is safe when used short-term. Avoid long-term use due to potential electrolyte imbalance from diuretic effects. Parsley has a high oxalate content which can potentially aggravate kidney problems in those with impaired kidney function. Avoid ingesting large amounts of parsley if you have kidney disease. Burdock root may have a mild diuretic effect which could negatively impact electrolyte balance if overconsumed. Those with kidney disease may want to exercise caution with burdock and monitor electrolyte levels. Stinging nettle can act as a diuretic which may flush out too many electrolytes if taken in excess over long periods. This effect could potentially tax the kidneys if not used judiciously. Both stinging nettle and parsley in supplement form may interact with certain medications used for kidney conditions like blood thinners, diuretics, lithium, and diabetes medications. To minimize risks when using these herbs for kidney cleansing, consult your doctor first, especially if you have kidney disease. Start with smaller doses and work up slowly, monitoring for signs of allergic reactions or side effects. Stay well hydrated to avoid electrolyte imbalance. Avoid ingesting parsley in supplement form if you have impaired kidney function. Discontinue use if you observe any concerning symptoms. When used carefully under medical supervision, these herbs can support kidney detoxification and health. But it's important to be aware of potential side effects, particularly for those with kidney conditions. Monitoring yourself and working with your doctor can help mitigate risks. And there you have it, superfoodies. Herbs like milk thistle, turmeric, and dandelion can be powerful natural allies for cleansing and detoxing the kidneys when used appropriately. They offer a variety of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic effects to optimize kidney health. Be sure to consult your healthcare provider before using herbs, especially if you have an underlying condition. Monitor yourself for any side effects and don't exceed recommended doses. For those who have used herbs to support their kidney function, or if you think we missed any obvious herbs in this video, feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We do value your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you did find this video helpful, then please do us a favor to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join us on a journey to optimal health and well-being. Together, we can cultivate a community of like-minded individuals committed to harnessing the transformative powers of superfoods, natural remedies, and lifestyle changes. So be sure to turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Stay committed to your health, and remember that every positive choice you make brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. As I mentioned earlier in the video, here are 2 other powerful herbs and spices you can learn more about. Pick any of them and just hit play.